What up, everybody? I'm the hiking chef, and right now I'm at the Eye of God in Big Bear, California. I'm going to show you how to get here, and I'm also going to show you how to make my summer peach and balsamic vinaigrette salad with grilled steak up here at the Eye of God. You're not going to want to miss this episode. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm the hiking chef. On this channel, we're all about adventure, great food, and exploring the outdoors. Sometimes we hike, sometimes we cook, and sometimes we do a little bit of both. Whatever today brings, let's get into it. We pulled over here. We're right on this dirt road. I think it's called Vale Road. I'm not really sure. I'll leave actually the name of the road in the description below so you guys know how to like Google and get here, and probably the coordinates too. But there's a little turnout right here, right behind me where we parked, and there's a little trail right here, and we got our baby all covered up, ready to go. And we're gonna just hike down to the Eye of God right now and cook something up real good. So let's get started.
Kitchen swap.
We're super excited about today because it's probably our first day of getting out there and just exploring nature and exploring the world really as a family. And it's something that Juliana and I did before our baby was here, and we were always so excited to bring him into this world and do this with him. So this is like a big day for us.
Okay, so right now I'm wearing the Mom Cozy carrier in like a houndstooth print, but it's not very breathable. It's like a kind of like a canvas material. So if anyone has recommendations for like an outdoor hiking carrier, not like a baby backpack, like a carrier like this, leave a comment below. I know Ergo Baby has a nice one, and I think Baby Jorn, but I don't know. I haven't really looked much into it, so drop a comment.
Yeah, let us know what you guys think, or if you guys have used any in the past that you would recommend. The Eye of God is a super special sacred place. The Serrano people actually are from this land. They were here way before anybody else. They are like ancient indigenous people to the Big Bear area. The Serrano people is actually a separate tribe or sect, I like to call it, from the Tongva people. So very close. They probably worked together, traded together, but they actually believed that people came from this spot, the Eye of God. It is like 100% white quartz, and it's just like an outcropping that comes up from the land. You can't miss it. We're probably about 100 feet away. It's surrounded by trees, and you can't really see it until you're like right up on it. We made it. Whew. Super easy hike, really easy. There's actually a longer way to get up here if you just hike that dirt road, but it's kind of fun to just drive on it too. Here we are, you guys, the Eye of God. Let's check it out. Such a beautiful landscape. I love it up here. Big Bear is one of my favorite cities in California. It's awesome. It's super unique. So much things to do here. Right now, I'm going to show you guys how to make a summer salad with steak and balsamic peaches. Let's get started. With this summer salad, there's just a few ingredients, really basic stuff. We're gonna use spring mix, yellow peaches, blue cheese crumbles, balsamic glaze, olive oil. Then I have 2 New York strip steaks, one for each of us. We're gonna season those steaks today with this barbecue rub seasoning by Trader Joe's. It has a little bit of coffee in it, so it gives it a real unique flavor. The coffee flavor is not too strong. I really like it. While those steaks are cooking, we're gonna prepare the salad. So we're just gonna use a balsamic glaze and toss it in the bag I brought it up here with some sliced peaches. We're also gonna season it with Kinder's blend seasoning just to give it some extra flavor. There you have it, my summer peach balsamic salad with grilled steak up here at the Eye of God. We're gonna enjoy this right now and enjoy the view. Just finished eating, super nice. We had Eye of God all to ourselves and we are headed back up to the truck, and then we're gonna head into Big Bear Village right now and gonna shop around and check it out. You better, Bubba. He is just about 6 months old, so he's been eating, he just started eating solids, like barely, like just banana, and he saw us eating the salad and he started to cry. So we're really thinking that he wants like the food. He's real interested in whatever food we're eating. So maybe he's just hungry. We found a little Mexican restaurant. Actually, it's pretty big, but it's called Rosa's, and it's right in the village. It looks brand new. It's super clean, and we both ordered some food, so we're gonna see how it is, and then we're gonna go explore the town a little bit.
Crisp.
guys. Rosa's was pretty good. I think we both give it about a 7.5. The service was unbelievable, but I think the food could have just had a little bit more flavor. That's it for today. A quick little day trip. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna head on back home. Please, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more hiking and cooking outdoors, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next episode.